Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to continue talking about social media. So first, I want you to think about this. What do you think are the effects of social media in our society? Why? Please pause the video and write down 3 ideas before class. Okay, let's continue. Now, go to your student book, page 14, exercise B. Listen and read. Pay attention to these two phrases. And if so, what? And if not, does that mean anything goes? Let's listen and read, and then you decide if it's something positive or negative.
Page 14. Lesson C. I do like it. 1. Conversation strategy. Emphasizing ideas. B. Listen. What views are mentioned about reading and writing today?
Not long ago, they were predicting that because of the increase in phone and computer use, people would stop reading and writing, but we haven't. In fact, we're reading and writing more than we did. So, are there implications of this for literature? And if so, what?
Yes, well, it does seem that with social media, everybody's writing something these days, like blogs and check ins and status updates. I know I am.
Which is a good thing. I mean, I do like the fact that anyone can write a blog. It makes writing, well, more democratic somehow.
I do think, though, that it gives the impression that anybody can be a writer. But doesn't it take talent to be a good writer? And if not, then does that mean anything goes?
Yes, nowadays anyone can publish a novel online, but how do you know if it's any good? How do we evaluate it?
Do you need to, though? I think the real problem is with nonfiction. I mean, how do you determine what information you read on the internet is accurate and reliable?
Yes, indeed. That's just as important, if not more important.
Okay, great. Now pause the video while you classify. Okay, now let's go ahead and check. So, and if so, what gives us a positive idea? And if not, does that mean that anything goes? It gives us a negative idea. Very good. Now, there is a similar phrase, and it's this one, that is just as important, if not more important. But this one gives a different idea. We're going to take a look at that. I want you to please help me classify the phrases in a conversation. Is it indicating that if something is true? Is it restating with emphasis or saying that if something is not true? Please pause the video while you classify. Okay, now let's go ahead and check. Do you have a Facebook account? If so, can I friend you? If you have a Facebook, so this one will be if something is true. Great. Now, 2. If not, I could help you create it. If you don't have one, if something is not true, very good. And the last one, nowadays it's important, if not vital, to have a Facebook account. This one is just restating something with emphasis. Very good. Now let's go ahead and read and listen to the grammar. Please go to your student book, page 15, exercise 2. Let's listen and read.
Page 15. 2. Strategy plus. If so, if not. You can use if so, especially in formal speaking. It means if the answer is yes, or if this is true.
Are there implications of this for literature? And if so, what?
If not means if the answer is no, or if this is not true.
And if not, then does that mean anything goes?
You can also use if not to restate something with more emphasis.
That's just as important, if not more important.
In conversation, if not is 8 times more frequent than if so.
Okay, great job. Now let's go ahead and practice. Let's go to your workbook, page 5, exercise B. Here we have to complete the conversation using if so or if not. Let's start. Okay, class, good luck with your papers. And remember, if you quote from someone's work, the references must be accurate. You'll be penalized and get a lower grade. Do you think if so or if not? That's right, if not. If the references are not accurate, you'll be penalized. Very good. Um, can I reference internet blogs in my paper? And what is the correct way to do that? In this case, we would use and if so, if I can reference the internet blogs. Okay, great job, guys. Now go ahead and continue. Pause the video, please. Okay, we're actually going to check this during our class, okay? I will see you then. Bye bye.